oxidations from the +1 to +4 tend to disproportionate in acid solution. You know that the reactions which same element undergoes the both oxidations and reductions is called the disproportionation. For example, nitric acids tend to the disproportionation into the nitric oxide from the nitric acid as shown in the equations. Similarly, in case of phosphorus, nearly all the intermediate oxidation states disproportion into the -5 and -3, both in the alkali and acids. For example, phosphor acid tend to the disproportionate in 2 +5 and -3 both in alkalic and acid. For example, phosphor acid tend to disproportionate into phosphoric acid and phosphine are shown in the equation here. You know that generally the first element of any group differs from the rest of the elements with respect to these properties. The same anomaly is reflected in a group 15. The first element in the group nitrogen differs from the rest of the element. In their properties, the unique property of nitrogen are attributed in the small size atomic size, high electronegativity or high ionization enthalpy, the non-availability of d orbitals and the propensity to form a multiple bonds. Only the nitrogen can form a nitrate ions, gaining the electrons due to its small size and high electronegativity. For example, lithium nitride and magnesium effectively form a p-pi and p-pi bonds with others atoms of elements with the small size and high electronegativity, such as oxygens and the carbon and other elements do not form a p-pi bonds because of their relatively larger size. In other words, p orbitals of these elements larger in size and therefore sideways or overlapping will not be effective. The tendency of nitrogens to form a p-pi bonds is one of the major features that distinguish it from a phosphorus. Another group, 15th elements as a nitrogen, can form a strong people's multiple bonds and existed as a diatomic molecules with a triple bond between the two atoms. You know that this diatomic molecules in dinitrogen, the bond enthalpy of a triple bond being a very high, about a 941.4 kilojoules per mole, dinitrogen is an inert at ordinary conditions. For the same reason, it forms several compounds such as nitrates and sodium nitrates, potassium nitrate, sodium azide, nitrous oxide, nitric acid, potassium cyanide. You know that these compounds or nitrogen shows the varied oxidation states. On the other hand, the other elements in the group such as phosphorus, arsenic, and antimony existed as tetraatomic molecules are as represented here. In all these molecules, only single bonds are represented in the atoms. Note, the bismuth forms metallic bonds in its elemental state. The cation tendency is less for nitrogen when compared to other elements of the group. This is because the single bond between the nitrogen atom is much weaker in the higher inter-electronic repulsions between the lone pair of electrons presented on the nitrogen atom. The high inter-electronic repulsions in dinitrogens are attributed to the smaller bond length or small size and nitrogen atoms. The maximum length of the chain observed for nitrogen is there a azide ion nitrogen does not form a d p-pi bonds. Due to the absence of d orbitals, by contrast, higher elements like a phosphorus can form a deep IP or B-pi bonds are seen in the phosphorus oxychloride and triethyl phosphate. Thank you for watching this video.